Hey friends, it's Noah, your favorite Northport real estate broker, and in this video we are actually going to be showing you what $415,000 buys you for new construction here in Northport, Florida. As you guys can see, this is a 3-car garage house, 3 beds, 2 baths, just a little over 1,700 square feet. And before we jump in and share with you what this house looks like inside, remember guys, if you're looking to move to the Northport area, whether that be 9 days or 90 days, we have a dedicated buyer's relocation guide for the Northport area. So if you guys want to know the best restaurants, hotels, places to stay, everything like that, basically coming from a Northport resident's perspective, definitely go and check that out. It's 100% free for you guys to download. And also, if you guys are looking for off-market properties, new construction properties that you don't want to fight with other buyers with, we have partnered up with a lot of builders here in the Northport area, and we're aggregating all of their new construction homes into one area. So if you want to join that VIP list, it's 100% free. It's an email list. Go and check that link out down below. But with all that being said, let's go and check out this home. So as you guys can see, right when you walk into this house, it's very spacious. You have these coffered ceilings throughout. You're gonna have your living room right here, your hurricane slider here, dining room, and then this very modern contemporary kitchen that has soft close cabinets. Once again, very similar to a lot of nicer new construction homes here in Northport. You have two-tone cabinets here, darker on the bottom, lighter on the top. Quartz countertops throughout the house as well, stainless steel appliances. Plenty of storage overall for basically all your storing needs. And then over here on the back side of the house, over here is going to be the 3-car garage. Then right here is going to be the very spacious laundry room. As you guys can see here, it's actually very spacious in size as well. Plenty of room for washer and dryer, and you can even do a built-in, countertop or whatever that may be for folding clothes there. And then we are going to walk over here to now go check out our master suite. As you guys can see, it's very spacious here. You have dual double hung windows over here. You have these larger baseboards, not your basic trim that you're going to see in new construction homes. Then what's cool about this home is that you not only have one, but you have 2 separate walk-in closets, his and her, or vice versa. Then once we go and check out those closets here, we are going to see this very spacious master suite. As you guys can see, dual sink vanity, plenty of space for storage, everything, a lot of soft close cabinets once again. Then right behind you, you are going to have that walk-in shower with the frameless glass, which is very nice to find in new construction. Floor to ceiling, large tiles as well, which I think is a huge plus. Gives it an upgraded feature as well. And then we are going to head back over here to the other bedrooms. So to get to those bedrooms, we are going to go through the living space, once again, coffered ceiling with the recessed lighting. Then over here on our left-hand side, we have the first bedroom, basically, guest bedroom. Here you are going to have, it's decent size. Now it's not overly big, but it's not overly small. You have a nice reach-in closet over here. Now we are going to go into this other bedroom, very similar in size. Once again, nothing too crazy, nothing too small. Once again, you are going to have a reach-in closet. Nice thing is you don't have bifold doors, you have sliding doors. So that's a huge plus to have. These are solid wood too. And then we are going to go here to the bathroom. Once again, very similar shower concept design. You are going to have floor to ceiling tile, which is super nice. Very similar tile as in the master as well. Now let's head outside and check out the outdoor area. So what's cool about this is that you have 3 slider panels, so you can open it up for when friends and family are here. You don't have the full, detached view for the slider. At least you have a bigger door view. Then you have a nice outdoor space right here. Now it's not screened in like some new construction homes. However, it's nice if you want to be able to put in a pool. You don't have to worry about doing all the rescreening, everything like that. But this is a very spacious backyard as well. Plenty of space for a pool, entertaining outdoor kitchen, and so much more. Plus you can put, your 6-foot-high privacy fence as well. But remember guys, if you guys are looking to move to the Northport area, whether that be 9 days or 90 days, ultimately that is our team's specialty, is helping out-of-state buyers just like yourselves make the move as smooth as possible. So if you guys want that dedicated buyer's relocation guide, go check that out down below. And if you guys want to get on our exclusive VIP email list, definitely go and check that link out down below as well. I promise you it's not going to be spam. I'm only going to be sending you guys information that makes sense for what you guys are looking for. But once again, thanks so much for checking out this video, and we will catch you guys all next week.